My name is Anna Brees, and today I have been running a mobile video workshop here in Barry in the Vale of Glamorgan. I've had around 10 people here today, and we've been looking at equipment, at tripods, at microphones, and the best practice on how to make your video for social media look more professional. Now, I used to work for the BBC and also for ITV as a reporter, and I'm just really teaching people and passing on a few professional tips and tricks of the trade on how they can make their videos look more professional. So let's find out what everyone did think of the workshop today.
So I'm a freelance marketer. I work with business to business and third sector clients mainly. Today's been a lot more fun than I thought it was going to be, and I've learned absolutely loads. And it's amazing when you realise that actually it's just not that difficult. You just need to know how to do it. And I'm going to get stuck in. With all my clients, I can be doing a lot more video than we have been doing. And now I know how to do it, I think they can all benefit.
It's something that lots of companies tend to outsource, and the tools that you've given us today mean that we can do that in-house.
And do you feel confident now to be able to have a go at doing video yourself?
At the start it was a bit daunting, but yeah, really confident. It's a really worthwhile experience.
I wanted to learn how to edit videos to make them look more professional, and particularly to be able to record voiceovers and add music and those sorts of things. So that's exactly what I've found out how to do today. So it's been brilliant. Really excited about getting back and starting to make some video.
It was really nice to see how quick and easy it actually is, and having all the tools to be able to do it, and it's really the confidence as well, which this course has really helped with.
Do you think at the end of today you'll be able to go and make professional video with your smartphone?
Yeah, I really do. I feel really confident now, and that I've got all the tools and ideas to be able to do it.
So that was the view of my students, and I'm very proud of them indeed. We all had a fantastic day.